Hi, I'm Paul Rigby, co-author of The Bee Book and The Bee Book version 2.0 and master facilitator for Bee An Intrapreneur workshop. Organizations are transforming themselves at a rapid rate in order to rise above the complex challenges in the business world. Entrepreneurs are the driving force behind this transformation. Entrepreneurs really are just corporate entrepreneurs who add tremendous value to the business. They are the source of energy and creativity that helps your organization find and exploit change and commercialize innovative opportunities. I posit that they are the most valuable of all employees. Bee An Intrapreneur workshop is an interactive, high-energy, facilitated workshop for people in the organization, large or small, government or corporate, who wish to add value to the organization and, most importantly perhaps, is improve themselves as a leader. This workshop will help participants really understand what is required of a corporate entrepreneur and how they can make a difference. In this workshop, we look at entrepreneurship in a lot of detail. We discuss topics such as what is the difference between an entrepreneur and an intrapreneur, how to implement an entrepreneurial culture, how to identify entrepreneurs, what are their typical characteristics, how to lead them, how do they really add value. We also delve into the practical side of entrepreneurship, discussing what we call the dark side. The dark side really is taking a look at what we need to look out for, things that people don't usually mention. Bee An Intrapreneur workshop uses the story of the Bee Book and the Bee Book version 2.0 to convey a simple message about how entrepreneurs can help future-proof your business and ensure that your organization stays relevant. Leaders at all levels, they really need to drive change, commercialize innovative ideas, engage employees, and achieve results. They cannot do this unless they act as an entrepreneur in the first instance and employ entrepreneurs or train them and make this happen. Do you want to achieve results, improve your leadership skills, and be more effective? Invest in yourself and invest in your team. Attend this workshop. Thank you for listening. Keep well, keep safe, and I hope to see you in a workshop soon.